Hey guys, today I am going to discuss about a magical tool, and if you are a digital marketing agency then this will be a game changer for your clients. I'll share 6 key features of this tool. Number 1 is auto post scheduling that will save a lot of time of yours and definitely it will help in growing your client's profile. Second is guys auto custom review reply, so that you forget about replying reviews of your clients and it's automatically replied in a custom way. Third feature is guys you get a category finder tool. Through that you can easily check the categories of your clients competitors and add those categories which are missing. Fourth feature is guys you find analytical tool here, so that you can check the position of your client's profile on different keywords, so that you get to know on which keyword you want to work maximum. Fifth feature is guys you have a quick citation building option in this. Last feature is guys you can increase the reviews with an automatic strategy in this tool.